Paul says this, given that our universe expanded from a single point and is expanding in all directions, how does that not define the shape of the universe as spherical? How could something flat or saddle shape come out of that?
So there.
Wow. Look at that. All right.
Take that, Jen.
Well, it is true. If there is an explosion in space, it tends to have a kind of spherical cloud left over as debris. So when a star explodes, we will see often nebula, and they're like often spherical-ish.
Even beautiful, too. Beautiful nebula.
Very beautiful. And, you know, sometimes they plow into stuff and it changes the shape. But basically, yeah, then you can point inside this debris, you point to where the center of the explosion was. Okay. So that's not how it works for the Big Bang. So for the Big Bang, you cannot imagine that the space exists first and that you're exploding into the space.
Right.
It is actually a creation of the space itself. Right. So everywhere in the universe was once at the center of the explosion.
Exactly.
There is no plowing out. It's as though, and you can think of it any shape you want. Make some crazy, you know, people like the balloon analogy. So now make some crazy balloon, twisted up crazy thing. And
a poodle.
A poodle.
Oh, nice.
And a balloon poodle universe. And the whole thing stretches. And the whole thing was once a point. So every single point on that surface. And people get tripped up.
It's part of that fabric, if you want to call it.
Yeah.
So the center is everywhere.
The center is everywhere.
We are at the center of the
center.
Big Bang, as is every other point in space.
Finally,
is at the center of the Big Bang.
But can I say